This 2019 Winnebago Forza 36G is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 38 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, microwave, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2019 Winnebago Forza 36G is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.